Looks like your cat got your tongue. Am I on film?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm being recorded.
Mm-hmm.
Listen, this 01 Jeep's gonna kill me. That's right, I'm breaking the bank. Where is this stupid thing? That's my head. There it is. Yes, it's gonna break the bank. What happened here? But it is a sexy Jeep. Question about it. Auxiliary cooling fan is not happy today. Not one bit. How's it feel? Good? Yes. It smells like it's on fire. Smells like it's cooking. This is why the auxiliary cooling fan is running so much. Why? Yes, new rear drums, new rear axle seals. Oh, new trailer hitch. The other one fell apart. And oh, we stopped again. Yes, we're stopping. Avoiding the boulders today. So we got new rear axle seals. Transmission may not fall off anymore. A new seal for the crossmember. New rear drums. And new rear brakes. Oh, there's the right. Hold on. Let me get out in front of her here. I can't get used to this. I'm being attacked by hold on, we're gonna walk down this way here and get some more video of the 01 rolling this way. This could be like its last gasp here, this thing. This could be it. The 01 Jeep is breaking the bank lately. It's killing me. It's just killing me. So, trying to get some video of this thing in action. This unit's gonna be a relic. Rusting away stationary as opposed to rushing away, rusting away. While licensed and insured, soon it's going to be a woods truck. Hold on. Oh, what's she doing here? Alright, let's set this thing up. Alright, hold on here. Alright. Alright, here comes the 01. Scenic out here than we thought it was going to be. Auxiliary cooling fan is not happy today. Not at all happy today. Means avoiding the big boulders. Oh, you're blocking the Jeep, buddy. Falcon Wild Peak, which I'm not sold on those tires, although I just put them on the dually, so I guess I must not dislike them too much. I don't know. Seems as though we have a new development on this road that I traveled quite regularly. Apparently now it's got a gate. So apparently the state has decided that this too is a no fun zone. What is up with this? Since when did this become a no fun zone? This whole state's a no fun zone. Look at that. That, my friend, is a clear sign of the fun is over. Yes, indeed. So those of us who used to take this road as a shortcut can no longer do so, because this is now a no fun zone. Yes, it's locked. It's a clear no fun zone right here. Look at that. No fun will be had on this road anymore, my friend. That's right. Someone has decided this is a no fun zone. The Jeep will have to take a long way around now. Well, that's kind of depressing. Since when did this become a no fun zone? But it certainly is a no fun zone now.
Like it.
No more Jeeping on this thing. Huh, interesting. This is a no fun zone here, boys and girls. Indeed. That is a no fun zone. Somebody dropped a couple sonotubes in there, filled them with concrete. He said the party is over. Yes, indeed.